All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol NIO, NEO Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. If it's your first time on my channel, Invest for Tomorrow, welcome. Hope you guys learned something new and find this very informative. And for all of you that have already subscribed, just double check if you've hit the bell just so that you can get notified on my daily videos and not miss a single update. And also, I want to thank you all for your support, your feedback, and engaging in conversations with one another and answering each other's questions and so forth. I really, really appreciate that. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. So first thing, NEO had a bearish run. It was below the 50-day moving average. I had stated how this effect, right, was happening again, but I didn't know how long it would last or how short, but the bullish run did appear, and it came to a point where it did not end in a way where any bears appeared. The bears appeared just one time where it leveled off and kickstarted from there as well. So let's zoom in and see what's going on here. So obviously this broke through resistance, and this bearish run honestly was going to have a turnaround point. I just wasn't sure correctly when it would happen. Like I said, it was looking very similar to this. But if you look at the end of this result, obviously the bulls reappeared, and they appeared pretty soon here, as we can see. So let's move this resistance level to its new point, the highest point that it reached in the day, and the support level. 50-day moving average is way down here, right? This stock was actually below it. The 50-day moving average is 1265. As long as it stays above it, this bullish run can continue. Another significant thing as well, the bulls broke through the $13 mark that I had stated yesterday, and they broke through the 1375 mark, which this can continue to create a bullish run. If they use this area as support tomorrow, this bullish run can continue. So keep that in mind as investors and also spectators trying to see if you are going to have an entry point on this one. So the first thing is the resistance level. The highest point, it got rejected right there and it fell back down to 1388. 1397 is the resistance level. If it breaks through that resistance level and uses it as support, it can continue its rally to break through new resistance levels and work its way back up to the high of this stock, which was way up here at about 1646. It's having trouble loading, so I'm not going to go back to that. But for those of you that have been watching my videos, you guys have seen me explain it. If you haven't already, just check back on one of my NEO videos, and I do show it there. The 1646 mark is so important. It'll be the pivotal moment of this turning around. But it already broke through one of the main short-term resistance levels that can change everything around, which was 1375, and it closed out above it. If this can be used as support, 1375, it can continue to work its way to break through 1397, use it as support, test it, and work its way to newer highs. On the other hand, 1315 is very important as well, because this could be the turnaround of this stock. Was this bullish rally just for this time being, or will this continue, right? Did the bulls get exhausted? We'll know if it breaks through the support level of 1315. Now, if it breaks through it, obviously it's still in bearish, bullish territory, and the bears are going to continue to tear it down. But until it crosses 1265, the bears have no control over this. Bulls are in full control, and their goal is to continue to maintain control. So even if it breaks through that, in these areas and these levels, the bulls, what they can do is take advantage of the price and bring this one back up. So that's something to keep a close eye on. This definitely had a big turnaround, had major volume today. We're definitely going to have to see how this plays out tomorrow. Just keep in mind the resistance level, the support, the 50-day moving average, and the previous highs, which was $13 and $13.75 within the last 2 weeks. And then let's see if it loads. It loaded. Awesome. 1645, 1646 area is so important. This will be the turnaround of this breaking through newer highs. So this is going to be an important one in the upcoming days, this upcoming week. Very interesting. See how it plays out. If you learned something new, subscribe, hit the like button, and share this with your friends and community. And let's make some money.